Let me tell you a secret. If your legs feel weak, kicking like this won't help, even if you kick for a lifetime. Pulling like that won't help either, even for 2 lifetimes. Many people still don't know why their legs give out, why they struggle to stand up after squatting for the toilet. Which area should we really train? Many friends get it wrong. They think it's a leg problem, so they stretch their legs in the park today and pull again tomorrow, only to find the legs are still weak in the end. With 12 years of coaching experience, I can tell you, it's not the legs, it's the glutes. There's one very important, easily overlooked muscle, the gluteus maximus. It connects above to the lower back and below to the sit bone area, and then onto the legs. So when the gluteus maximus is weak, you can't lift your legs well. In everyday lifting, squatting, and even walking, the gluteus maximus plays a crucial role. As the saying goes, when the gluteus maximus is strong, your leg lift has power, your lower back feels light, and sitting down feels comfortable. But with age and long periods of sitting, the gluteus maximus will atrophy and decline. If you don't start training it correctly, very soon you'll find it harder to lift your legs when walking. Your steps get smaller, you wobble when you walk, your balance gets poor, and squatting or climbing stairs becomes difficult. These are classic signs of gluteus maximus loss. So how do we train it correctly in daily life? Many people here train the gluteus maximus and run to the park to stretch or do aerobics. Honestly, you can stop doing that. Those only move the muscle a little and don't fundamentally prevent glute loss, let alone build real strength. A method widely recognized as simple and effective is the core anti-resistance contraction for the gluteus maximus. You don't need to run or do aerobics. Just sit at home and you can finish in 5 minutes. Now I'll share this good method with you, no holding back. If you're worried you'll forget, tap the little heart to save it, and share this video with middle-aged and older friends who truly want to strengthen their legs so they can follow along and train with us. First, choose a numbered resistance band designed for glute training. Each number represents a different resistance level. Pick different levels for different training stages. With the band ready, sit on a bench at home. Thread your hands through a lighter level, put your feet through the middle number, and do a very simple movement. Press out, then bring it back. Press out, and bring it back. You'll feel, as you press out, the glutes tighten, the lower back engages, and the legs push. This one simple move drives the hips, waist, and legs to keep contracting. Under about 6 to 8 kilograms of resistance, those continuous contractions stimulate weak muscle fibers to split and grow again, achieving resistance training and muscle gain. This move also improves the linkage and coordination of the waist, hips, and legs, and opens space in the hip joint. Then your stride opens up and your legs lift more easily. When you finish the left side, switch to the right. Do 2 sets per side, 20 to 25 reps per set. Keep it up for a while, and I believe you'll come back to thank me. One last reminder, when choosing a resistance band, pick one with good material and strong elasticity. If you truly don't know where to buy, click my profile. There's a product window where I've prepared the band for you, and the manufacturer is running a promotion right now, so the price is very favorable.